Dear students, in last class we have discussed about elementary operations or transformation of a matrix. In today's class we shall discuss about inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. If A is a matrix such that A inverse exists, A inverse exists, then to find A inverse using elementary row operations, then we write A is equal to I A and apply a sequence of row operations, elementary row operations on A equal to I A till we get I is equal to B A. Here the matrix B will be the inverse of matrix A. If we find A inverse by using column operation, then we write A equal to AI and apply a sequence of column operations on A equal to AI till we get I is equal to AB. The matrix B will be the inverse of matrix A. This is by using row operation. And this is by using column operation. Okay. Then in case after applying one or more row operations or column operations on A equal to IA or A equal to AI, if we obtain all zeros in or one or more rows of the matrix A on left hand side, so therefore A inverse does not exist. So now by taking one example, example 1, by elementary row operations, by elementary row operations, find the inverse of matrix A, that is equal to 1 2 2 minus 1 1 2 2 minus 1 by using row operation. How to find the inverse of matrix A? A inverse matrix A given matrix A is 1 2 2 minus 1. Then find the inverse of matrix A, that is A inverse. Find A inverse by using row operation. Here solution the given matrix A, that is let A is equal to 1 2 to minus 1. In order to use elementary row operations, then we write A is equal to IA. The given matrix A by using row operation that can be written as A equal to IA. So A is 1, 2, 2 minus 1 equals I is identity matrix of order 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Applying operation, R2 becomes R2 minus 2R1. So therefore, first row elements no changes as it is 1, 2. Second row element R2, this second row first element is 2. R2 is 2 minus 2 into R1. R1 is 1. 2 minus 2 gets cancellation 0. The next second row, second element R2 is minus 1 minus 2 into R1, second element. In first row, second element is 2 minus 1 minus 2 into plus 2, minus 1 minus 4 becomes minus 5 equals, right hand side also write 1, 0 as it is. R2 is second row first element, R2 is 0, minus 2 into R1 is 1, 0 minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2. The next element R2 is 1, minus 2 into R1 is 0. So therefore 1 minus 0, that is 1 into A. The next row, second element is minus 5, that is again applying operation R2 becomes minus 1 divided by 5 into R2. So therefore matrix 1, 2 write as it is 0 minus 1 by 5 into minus 5 gets cancellation becomes plus 1 equals 1, 0 also write as it is minus 2 into minus 1 by 5, minus into minus becomes plus 2 by 5. Next element minus 1 by 5 into 1, that is minus 1 by 5 into A. The next first row second element this place also 0 form, 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿದು. So write 2 is here by using again operation R1. So becomes R1 minus 2R2 to R2 by using that operation. So therefore left hand side becomes 1. R1 is 1 minus 2 into R2 is 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. The next element 2, R1 is 2 minus 2 into R2 is 1. 2 minus 2 gets cancellation 0. The next second row elements write as it is 0, 1 equals. So right hand side R1 is 1 minus 2 into 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5 becomes 1 divided by 5. 0 minus 1 by 5 into 2 plus 2 by 5. Minus into minus becomes plus. The next second row elements write 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into A. So So therefore, so what is the form of this? Right here 1 0 0 1 is I, identity matrix. Here what is this? That is of the form B into A. So therefore A inverse is equal to B. Therefore A inverse, what is B? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, again 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. A inverse matrix, or we can write this, A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, take outside, 1, 2, 2, minus 1. So A is 1 to 2 minus 1, then A inverse becomes 1 by 5 matrix 1 to 2 minus 1. This is by using row operation. Same problem by using column operation. By elementary column operations, find the inverse of matrix A. Find the inverse of matrix A. Same problem by column operation. Column operation. Select A is equal to 1, 2, 2, minus 1. In order to use elementary column operation, we may write, that can be written as A is equal to A I. By row operation, A is equal to high A. This is now by column operation, so therefore A equal to AI. What is A here? A is 1, 2, 2 minus 1 equals, right hand side A as it is, into 1, 0, 0, 1 is an identity matrix. Now by column operation, in first row, second element forms 0, that is C2 becomes C2 minus 2C1. Second column, C2 means second column, that is C2 minus 2C1. So therefore, okay, first column write as it is 1, 2. Second column 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 gets cancellation 0. The next element C2 is minus 1, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 becomes minus 5 equals A into first column right hand side 1, 0, write as it is, C2 is 0, minus 2 into C1, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. The next C2 is 1, 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 1. The next element is minus 5, comes here 1, this place, so form becomes plus 1. It is again C2 becomes minus 1 by 5 into C2. So therefore 1, 2 as it is, first column elements 1 by minus 1 by 5 into 0, it is 0, minus 1 by 5 into minus 5 gets cancellation 1 equals A into 1 0. First column elements write as it is. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 2 becomes plus 2 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into 1 becomes minus 1 by 5. The next element, so first column, second element forms 0. So therefore C1 applying operation C1 minus 2 C2 C1 minus 2 C2. So therefore 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 1. 2 minus 2 into 1 gets cancellation 0. Second column elements 1 0 1 equals A, write as it is. Yes, C1 1 minus 2 into 2 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5 becomes 1 by 5. The next 0 minus into minus becomes plus 2 by 5. Second row elements 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So therefore what is the form of this? That is of the form I is equal to AB. In row operation I is equal to BA. By column operation I is equal to AB. So therefore A inverse is equal to B. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, second row first element 2 by 5, second element minus 1 by 5, or we can write this A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, take outside. In matrix elements 1 2 2 minus 1. This is by column operation. Same answer. By using row operation, same. By using column operation also, same answer. The next. The next example 2, by elementary operations or using elementary transformations find the inverse of the matrix. That is second one, that is by using row operation or by using column operations. It is matrix 1 minus 1 2 3. By using row operation or by using column operation, any one. The given let A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. By using row operation, the given matrix can be written as A is equal to I A. Suppose by using column operation, the given matrix can be written as A equal to AI. Now I am using here row operation. Therefore A, what is A? Elements 1 minus 1 2 3 equals I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A, right as it is. In left hand side matrix 1 minus 1 2 0, form of this, right, in form of 1 0 0 1. These elements, so right in the form here left hand side. By using operation R2, second row becomes R2 minus 2R1. Therefore, first row elements 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 gets cancellation 0, 3 minus into minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 5 equals right hand side 1 0 right as it is. R2 is 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. The next R2 is 1, 2 into R1 is 0, it is 1 minus 0, 1 into A. The next second row, second element is 5. So write this in the form of 1 form ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So therefore, again by using operation, R2 becomes plus 1 by 5 into R2 dividing by 5. 5 gets cancellation 1. So therefore, first row elements 1 minus 1, 0, 1 by 5 into 0, 0, 1 by 5 into 5 becomes 1 equals right hand side 1 0 right as it is, minus 2 into 1 by 5 becomes minus 2 by 5, 1 into 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5 into A. The next first row second element 0 form ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minus 1 is here. By using operation, R1 becomes R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. So therefore, in left hand side 1 plus 0 becomes first element is 1, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancellation 0, second row elements right as it is, only changing first row elements, second row elements right as it is, equal right hand side also only changes first row 1 plus minus 2 by 5 minus 1 minus 2 by 5 becomes 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 0 plus 1 by 5, R1 is 0, R2 is 1 by 5, it is 1 by 5. The next second row elements minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 right as it is into A. So now what is the form of this? I is equal to B BA. So therefore A inverse is equal to B. Here the matrix B will be the inverse of matrix A. So therefore A inverse is equal to B. Therefore A inverse is equal to, what is B? Elements 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 divided by 5. Or we can write A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, take outside, in bracket 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Next one more example. So these two problems A inverse exist. Now I am taking one example. A inverse does not exist. How to do the type of problem? How to do the type of question? So using elementary operations, find the inverse of matrix, inverse of the matrix, or find P inverse. Find P. Your matrix name is P. P inverse. P inverse, comma, if it exists. If it exists. If it exists, given P equals, given matrix P equals 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. Find the inverse of matrix P. So let P is equal to P equals 10 minus 2 minus 5 1. So given matrix P, by using row operation, a given matrix can be written as P is equal to high P. Suppose by using column operation, P equal to Pi. Now by using row operations, what is P? Matrix elements 10 minus 2 minus 5 1 equals I, identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into P. Same 1 0 0 1 right hand side in the row matrix, so left hand side form agantu. Right. By using operation, R2 becomes 2 R2 plus R1. 2 R2 plus R1. So therefore, first row elements 10 minus 2, right? Second row 2 into R2 is minus 5. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10 gets cancellation 0. The next 2 into R2 is 1, 2. 2 minus 2 also cancellation 0 is equal to, on right hand side, 1 0 0, 2 into 0 0 plus 1, that is 1. The next 2 into R2, 1 plus 0, that is 1. So observe here, in left hand side matrix we have all zeros in the second row of the left hand side matrix A. 0, second row becomes all 2 elements are 0. So therefore, like this matrix we get, therefore P inverse does not exist. Does not exist. ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ second row or first row or first column or second column zeros. So therefore the given matrix does not exist. Inverse of the matrix does not exist. Stop. The next example, same type, one more example. One more example, using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix A. It is matrix A is equal to 2 1 4 2. Find the inverse of matrix A. So let A is equal to 2 1 4 2. By using row operation, the given matrix can be written as A is equal to high A. Therefore, what is A? Matrix elements 2 1 4 2 equals identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. By using row operation, applying R2, R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1. So therefore first row elements 2 1 as it is. R2 is 4 minus 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0 is equal to 1 0. So R2 is 0 minus 2 minus 2. R2 is 1 minus 2 into 0 0, that is 1 into A. Here also all zeros in the second row of the matrix on the left hand side. So therefore A inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.